So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to stop Vizio TV auto switching input to SmartCast, CEC and power setting. Step 1 is adjusting your Vizio input setting. Press the menu or gear setting button on your Vizio remote, then select system for the list of options. Navigate to input a power on. Change the setting from automatic to your preferred default input. Then turn the TV off, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on to verify the change. Second step is disabling HDMI CEC conflict. Press the menu button on your remote, then go to System, then CEC. Toggle the CEC feature to off, then test your TV to see if it stops auto switching. Third step is performing a hard reset. Turn off the TV, then unplug the power cable from the wall outlet for the back of the TV. Then wait for 1 to 3 minutes for electrical buildup to dissipate. Then plug the power cable back in, then power the TV on. Thanks for watching.